Are you not quite sure where to start with building your auto body shop's online presence? I would say step number one is to determine where you are at, because if you want to move forward, you have to find out where you are at. So go analyze your shop's online presence. Check out your website, your Google business profile, your social media channels, and also check what other online directory websites your shop is listed on. And then start optimizing your website for the Google keyword phrase searches that you are trying to rank for. And those are body shop, auto body shop, and collision repair. And of course, if you haven't claimed your Google business profile yet, definitely you must do that and then work at optimizing it. Make sure all the business information is correct, the name, the address, the phone number, the information about your shop, and add photos to the Google business profile. Start a Facebook page if you don't have one already, and start posting photos and videos and posts about your shop, before and after pictures. And of course, the online directories are important because Google notices and they go check out the citations that are coming in from those sites. So make sure your name, your address, and your phone number are all exactly the same as your Google business profile. Very important for helping your shop to rank online. So I hope this helps you to get started, to taking that first step to optimizing your shop's online presence and attracting new leads and customers through that.